Hi guys, I'm Geetanjali. Welcome to my channel.
Be strong.
Do you want to watch this video in Tamil? Click here. Today we're going to make Idiyappam. It's called string hoppers or rice noodles in English. It's a famous dish in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and also Sri Lanka. People usually make it with rice flour, which is pretty quick to make. But today we are going to soak the rice, grind and make this from the scratch. Today I've taken 2 cups of poni boiled rice. I've soaked it for 2 hours and I've washed it and now it's ready for grinding. I'm grinding the rice in the grinder, but if you have a blender, that will do as well, but just make sure that the batter should be really smooth. Add water while grinding as needed. I have taken 2 cups of boiled rice. For that, I've added 2 teaspoons of salt. The batter should be soft like this. It doesn't have to be thick. It has to be watery like this consistency. Our batter is ready. Now don't on the stove. First pour oil and the batter, mix it well, then on the stove. This will help to reduce the lumps. I've taken 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. I've added oil and the batter. Now I'm going to first mix this before I turn on the stove. Now the stove is turned on. We have to start mixing quickly like this to avoid lumps. As I mentioned earlier, you can also make it with rice flour, but if you make it in this way, the string hoppers will be super soft and fluffy. Okay, the batter is almost ready. So the way to find out is when you touch like this, it should not stick to your hands. To stop further cooking, now let's transfer this to another bowl. We're going to steam the string hoppers. So let's start by heating the water. I'm going to use this string hopper maker. This one is easy to use. The disc that I'm using is the one with the smallest holes. I'm using both string hopper plate and idli maker plates. Before we press the dough, let's prepare by applying oil. Now let's add the dough and start pressing to make a long stringy noodles. The water is boiling now. Let's steam this for about 10 minutes. Use a fork or stick to check whether the string hoppers are cooked and make sure it is not sticky. Wow, see how soft and fluffy this is? Now let's press the remaining dough and steam everything. The string hoppers are ready and let me show you how to make a savory lemon flavored one. For that, let's start separating roughly like this. You see, it's not sticking to my hands at all. I'm saving these remaining string hoppers to have it with the shredded coconut and sugar. You can also have this with any curry or by itself. To prepare the lemon flavored one, heat up a pan and let's start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal. Let's also add about 10 to 15 cashew nuts. I'm adding 1 medium-sized chopped onion, let's also add 3 split green chilies, 2 dry red chilies. I'm also adding 1 sprig of curry leaves. Add 1 pinch of turmeric and saute well. Now add the separated string hoppers. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, and let's mix it well. Our savory lemon string hoppers is now ready. Let's garnish with some cut cilantro. The plain string hoppers and the lemon flavored string hoppers both are ready. Now I'm going to taste it. I'm starting with the plain one. Add some shredded coconut and some sugar and mix it like this. First I'm going to try the sweet one, which has coconut and sugar in it. Super yummy. Let me try the lemon one. Lemon flavor, the soft string hoppers, it's super yummy. Did you see how we made the idiyappam with 2 flavors? Just follow my instructions and you will be able to make same fluffy idiyappam or string hoppers at your home. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.